Welcome back to our CSS tutorial series Part 4, brought to you by Amatip IT. In today's video, we will dive into advanced CSS concepts. Let's start by discussing media queries and how they can make your website responsive. Media queries allow you to apply CSS styles based on the device's screen size. By using media queries, you can create different layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile users. Another important concept we'll cover today is CSS animations. CSS animations let you create movement and transitions on your website without JavaScript. You can animate properties like position, size, color, and opacity using keyframes. Next, we'll explore CSS preprocessors, such as Sass and Less. Preprocessors offer additional features like variables, nesting, and mixins to enhance your CSS workflow. We'll demonstrate how to install and use Sass in your projects. Moving on, we'll introduce CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation. Frameworks provide pre-designed styles and components to speed up your development process. We'll show you how to include these frameworks in your project and customize them. Another topic we will cover is CSS Grid, a powerful layout system for creating responsive grids. Grid allows you to arrange content in rows and columns with ease. We'll explain the basics of Grid and show you how to build a grid layout from scratch. Next, we'll discuss the concept of Flexbox, a one-dimensional layout system. Flexbox lets you create flexible and responsive layouts, perfect for modern web design. We'll guide you through the key Flexbox properties and showcase some practical examples. Lastly, we'll touch on CSS performance optimization tips. We'll share techniques to improve the loading speed and efficiency of your CSS code. Stay tuned for more exciting CSS content in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.